In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your balance on Klarna. Klarna is an increasingly popular service offering a convenient way to shop online with flexible payment options. It's user-friendly, but I know that when it comes to managing your finances, it's essential to keep track of your balance effortlessly. So let's get started on how you can do just that. First off, you'll need to open the Klarna app on your smartphone. This might seem like a no-brainer, but ensuring you're starting from the right place sets the path for what we need to do next. If you haven't yet installed the app, head over to your device's app store, search for Klarna, and download it. Once the app is installed, tap on the Klarna icon to open it up. For a seamless experience, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Upon opening the app, you'll be prompted to log in if you aren't already. Use your existing Klarna credentials to do this. Don't forget that keeping your account secure is essential, particularly with financial apps, so make sure you're using a strong, unique password. If you're having trouble logging in, you can tap Forgot Password to reset it. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the app's main dashboard. Here you'll see various options, but what we're focusing on today is your wallet. Look for the wallet icon or tab. This might be represented by a wallet graphic or simply labeled as wallet. It's generally located towards the bottom of the screen, so give that a tap. Tapping on your wallet will take you to a focused view where you can see your wallet details. This is where you will find the information you're after, your current balance. Your balance will be displayed clearly in this section so you can see exactly what you've got available to spend or how much you owe. It's that simple. And before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that regularly checking your balance is a great habit to build. Not only does it help you stay on top of your finances, but it can also alert you to any unauthorized transactions. Also, if you have any questions about your transactions, or if anything seems off, Klarna's customer support is just a tap away within the app. You can reach out to them for any queries or assistance, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to check your balance on Klarna with ease. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your finances.